I anka my yese mopain and there a Sompa Rhapsody 106.5 FM or say Emma Aketuapa. Sentena said media suana e nyansa nimdia obremu enti ase ne hunmu a eboa mautu anambo yie enunti ene ahye sa program yi Mondays to Friday 8 o'clock to 10 a.m. We are challenging your thought. Yes, someone dwene na ya ma ehumuni nimdia ne nyansa ama watu anambo yie makachero se obrebe a nimdia ne nyansa nka ho no yebu ni thought na obrebe a te se bia no eyo brapa free me mama ye masankwa ko fire yeah my SM pen see tsunami no sound anopai no maji medwana and Michelle Mose ye ba abedi enkomo afa ememayo obika cheme say yes wonne bomu boom na sabe baby ada na ntam ne ma ye bema ne hwan who is a man and what are the problems of men yeah the month of June na onu say June mu de 21st na ye celebrate Father's Day na me dedicated June yi a large part of it say ye emema ho enkomo ade bia ye ntanka ho asem emema bre papa no obi anka ho asem Men's Day, Father's Day, hete Sam. And mede opanyini bi aba studio ha wa ben papa. Hey, me makacha sa mini nyansa fo na nante. Wa oni me no. Woni mu nyansa o ye madam fo. Woni mu nyansa ale awe me ko. Emanyame emwe yedwane abagwan kobia e Sompa Rhapsody 106.5 FM. What does it mean to be a man? Any ebedi nkomo afa wana bra bomo ne sani yohu mema yofa and what lessons men ought to know ne ekwanya ye faso eboa emema. Papa ya ene otimani mi is a brother, he is a father, he is a counselor to me. Michelle be your catcher and say, ah, I know what you do, and I say, I'm a phone. We should be no new answer when you go for anyone. The law of association. Walk with the wise, and you shall be wise, but the companion of fools shall be destroyed. Mekai 2011 na maybe me PhD ameba Ghana na me baby atna hey ni papa omunyaye me ni na me kotina me ni baby a me nkukuru me nkaka masoa me mate se Jacob so na ma free le man fie ho no me ba Ghana me betra me. A man's life is not made by himself alone. Others have contributed immensely to who you are. And the baby and I also won't kwana one we nyankopon. Nyankopon when you say one very santi you what you want. Me ba down no papa in China me cause from the month of February to December. What has a me jari of you me do of you me the fear me into your light me into your water bill me into your rent chai ni papa omunya ende me turning change from the month of February to December 31st 2011 ono ne yire eheme Memma. Yame nkwa na mete o mene memma nete ho. Mene memba. Menso me hu ni bebrebe. We can be uncle for befiho. We can be uncle for befiho. Ah, ntina me friend grandpa. The man nyina na me nyina friend grandpa. And now you beje grandpa lessons. Papa, my friend Chris Ampofo, Okreku. He didn't hear the papa. Okreku. Chris Ampofo. And then the Mama Lizzie, and then many grandpa Chris Ampofo, and the Odemola. If it didn't come out of a memo, and my own a special. And I'm saying, I'm a producer, Jerry. What, you know, Sompa Papa, Jerry. We didn't hear the book. Jane Am. Obi a na sum. Yeni nyansa na ebekasa na mo dem beti. Enti, turn your dial to this place. A wise man is in the studio. Elder Chris Ampofo Kreku. Waben papa. About the Nako Facebook and YouTube. Now click and join and share the link. Mema say mema nsu nipa say mema nsu mema de ototua about otua twere odamo fere afanyina mo wuo mema no ma duro ya nwuno ni ekunya ni ewu ni egusoka. How do you help the man? Sompa Rhapsody is a place of wisdom and knowledge. I say wisdom is a principle, and seek it, pursue it. Open crack koto Japan koto. Where a 21st clinic was a sciatica originator, peseta commandant, sciatica researcher. So open baby ubenya sciatica sayarena eanefri osisi otu asede woko na ho a atwum mimia ya no wose sape no womo na wotu ase se banche wose mo Tantra Hill runabout Temabi Haruban Catholic Church Kaswa New Market Obom Road Kumase Ahia obesi Sembel na Sompa wo no Sunyane opposite Regional Hospital First Gate touch my OGN Bank building Enkranza near Children's Park Takwa Ebia Sompa on once no Takradi if you come my taxi station omo goso omo oboase sciatica bia edi unya obetu asese yetu banche Joss Bread and Pastries proudly introduces Joss Hot Kenke media eno ana media maka kire sa kenke ye mfa na ne fete na ye mfa ensan ye fi ne fete ekwan mo fete no je se hu moro na morepa wa bu hu say yes o di don kro ye mato bi dida me be ye ba na ekura enema ewi ani yakoba ya fa ne de ko kenke ne ye kama every high quality grains in a clean made in a clean and hygienic environment or say ne bo per ball 3 cedis enti per juma oni adwuma we na se wo kope bi na o ye o de on ma host ekura bit me ato nya faso so storage near convenient, the delivery is just beautiful. Was it available for funerals, event, and bulk orders are available. Bomodiana from 02560 68832. John's Bakery, Eldome behind Ghana Commercial Bank. Was it make your kinky experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with John's Hot Kinky. Osafo Breno Abe Mene Grandpa Ebedi and Komo Efa Mayo and what it means to be a man Nefe Yadi Kumonso Afa Utienga. How do we help our men? How do we help our fathers, our brothers, our sons? It is why will men die 5 to 6 years earlier than their wives? Have you thought about that? I don't know, and to me count but microphone. Na mo yes aswa microphone aswa na. Aso. Aha. Mo peja na kakra mame. Grandpa, good morning. Me ba mo hear microphone mame na. Maintain kababa. Aha. Grandpa kasa me. Yeah. Good morning. Grandpa, we didn't know okreku ka ho.
Yes.
Okreku as okreku.
Me papa ding.
Ah.
Last name.
Wow. Na okreku no asechire bi wo.
There be minimum asechire.
Okay.
Papa ding.
Empanyindin pa wo. E na yen din a wota ti bebre. Ya ma eku apemfo na akamfo na tsem. Wow. Wow. Grandpa, ene yebedin kuma fa emema yo ho. Na to start with mbese o man o general overview. I can say Bema, one crown Bema.
Me da say. Na Yamishra etie fo nyina.
Amen.
And enyanoma ye no mo nyina.
Wojo so papa.
Yes. Oberema ye onyankopon abodia edikan.
Okay.
Onyankopon bo oberema se ne sesu. Na ne suban so. Intino oberema bia no eye onyankopon enipa wapa no se omesi na nemu asase so inti se oberema entumi anya na sadi ya na je se watoto ni nyame ase.
Okay.
Nyame de na chijao.
Okay.
Oberema.
Okay.
Inti se eno na ye merema na ye hwe na bibia mo no yetu hwana mo.
Okay.
Onyankopon no ye nti ena saranso na oberema nso ye ebusuani ti.
Okay.
Obia anase ne yere ene ne ma ehye nase enti masudie bia onyankopon pese anka ono abeya manipan oshira Adam ene ne yere.
Okay.
No catcher won say one wo na one nore one sha sase so ma say nshira no enso de asudie kase e bai.
Okay.
Na enu sa asudie ne merima na abeto won so kase.
Right.
Ye kase obra ohoyi eyoko.
Obra yoko. Okay.
Yes. Now so merima na asudi kase na eda won so. Okunu nyina won so na etwere. Se won na sese ehwe na wo chechire abusua no se no yankopon pe ntemerma de yanga sede ne yakase yankopon ama yanga sede kase na ne fa bi nso no oberema nso eye onipa ne fa bi san ye honhom so ka ho intino onipa biara anaso oberema biara no se wo pese wo bobra yiye na wanhwehwe onyankopon akikwan a eno no na kire se ori how kase beba kase past.
Okay.
Enti yankopon ebo oberema se anase ye nipa se oni yen be che na ni onyam
onipa ne nyame enche na ni onyam
onyankopon eni onipa ebe che na ni onyam asase so.
Okay.
Se eno nyama onyankopon won
opeso de bi mai
onam ne doba Jesus Christ so it is eno nyama brain enti no nia edikan wo ho no se obetimi ahunu se opese onyankopon no pese ye di Kristo bedi nse.
Okay.
Yes, Kristo gina ho na yenso ye gina ho a
ye ne no
unhu so bia wo enti ye ne Kristo bedi nse na Kristo ye anuanum nyina mu abakan.
Okay.
Yes. Ono yeti ye nua panin ni Kristo ye nua pa ni Kristo Inti ohunu nhyehyɛ no Onyankopɔn yɛ man megye sɛ Onyankopɔn do ni papa sɛ ɛnuonyam na ɔde ama Kristo no saa ɛnuonyam koro na bi nso ɛna ɔpɛ sɛ yɛn nso yɛnya na so ɔde ama yɛn sɛ yɛnya Onyankopɔn ade ama yɛn sɛ ɔhyehyɛ yɛn sɛ to be able to rule and reign in authority and power ɛsɛ sɛ yɛtumi di wiase no so nkonimdi mu tumi mu ɛsɛ ɔde nneɛma nyinaa hyɛ yɛn ase
okay
so wanya yɛn saa ɔka Psalm 8 hɔ na ɔsɛ onipa no hena a ɔdwene no na wama no anuonyam ɛte sɛ sei
okay
so na ɔde nneɛma nyinaa hyɛ n'ase
okay
Onyankopɔn hyehyɛ yɛn wɔ kwan bi so a na yɛ sɛ akakra ne no Onyankopɔn na yɛpɛ
wow
ade a nsusu no yɛda yɛn ne Onyankopɔn ntam sɛ Onyankopɔn onim ade nyinaa
okay
Onyankopɔn wɔ tumi nyinaa
okay
ana wɔ mmea ahorow nyinaa prɛko pɛ
okay
na wɔn ne aka nyinaa no Onyankopɔn ne yɛn hyɛ ɛkyɛ yɛde ne din bɛnantew
okay
na ya reflect ne majesty na ne onyam ne tumi
emu duro no
saa pepe no Onyankopɔn hyehyɛ ma yɛ mmarima
wow
afei nso also to be able to express character of God, the character of God, or be his direct representation on earth. Ibesi Onyankopɔn anemu was a train mu. Na kyerɛ sɛ so obi hwehwɛ Onyankopɔn na ohun na so
ohun be ma so ohun so
ohun yes
ohun Onyankopɔn na we de say ohun be ma no bia na yɛ hu bonsam
right asɛm bi me de pa
that's right
enti Onyankopɔn na ba wɔ yɛ ne mu na ba wɔ yɛ ne mu no Emma Onyankopɔn attribute values and responsibilities with him no on the young
right
yes the man is the head and leader of his family and for that matter the society
oye eti Emma na busua ene community mine oye ti wow
ono yeti wamfa ma meye abusua ni ti
right
esane se ono no di kan boy en se ne se so
right
ono na ohwe en so no gya osase di ndi amaye
right
nti obarima bia ye abusua ti osan ye society anase oman no ni ti
na che se grandpa sa ha no dia wo che ne se abusua sei se oman sei a na che sa asodie no ane ahonsu aso nyina no meba na
ya tutu ye ngasede ase abusua sei abusua no se oman be se sei fifie
wow
if say nipa na yewo afie mu na abusua ne mu no yenga na yekodi oman no so inti no obi wo abusua mu na so ni suba and you just call mommy I'm hungry,
bring me food,
and food is served. Inti no he sees life as simple as that, as easy
Jesus.
as that. And that sounds my earlier friend saying opinion about the man.
right
So asema yeka say
right
to be a man. Your target is to be a man now wow. Some be brave. In fact, baby I me fino. Me papa you could focus pa.
right
Obeye regional chief farmer Eastern region.
okay
And ni kwa yo ne koko kuafo. Enu echi no san to koko. And enu echi no so owo transport aye adwuma de man.
right
Osan so wo into poultry farming. And owo shop back bi a eton ni provisions ni alcoholic beverages de man. Tinu kwa se many fee no and papa you for the down.
wow
Life was so good.
right
Say etrabina say oversupply or friend saying poultry products at my restaurant ebony was second ha
okay
or the entrance came
oh
no the number obi or tear crowd
yeah wow
citron
Wow.
Casa Casino no use.
Wow.
Well, Intino say, oh, say if you wanna. Who say, or brandy mirror.
Right.
To send a copy, a kind of.
Right.
Inti no kwase me hunuda. Papa di en bakroma. Otumi oye no be no sande no ko Lenants those days.
Okay.
And I say bata no akototo near my here de amaye. Na sitinam pa no was he was not struggling no. Was omre
bibia koto.
Yes, ne yere no me basa those days me many fee no na masa no. But ne ma ye around 27. The last count year kind first time na year 27 be brave 15 day.
Wow.
Tini a dozen. And so now many dependents, farmers in the social say. And he took life so easy.
Wow.
Intino say wo say few hona. A bear will say Bribia ye mirror. Namum me ba na metin kranha akwama na me kom papa nchen wo village. Me ba be do mame ha. And I mean who say metis asem na say. Say to be a man.
Now wow.
Yeah, dear thing. Me who say my mother was struggling.
Wow.
As I said, Najumo ye nyina echi no san ye niema bebrede ka ho. Na ekoba ne sa pa na utumi hu say na katua enso no.
Right.
Dina so ye bibi ka ho. Nti ho na menya sa a signs of this asema ye kase. To be a man is difficult, you know.
Right.
Life is struggle.
Right.
Aha. Inti me nyimba no. Ena me hu so oh. Ni ana me hu me papa ho no. Enya sa na tidin. Bra me be fi obrase ankasa no. Ena me hu so.
Fe na don on.
Fe na don on me. Inti na say quickly me to my brabo yi na me tinia me zee no. Wo school anasa wo ya bofra. Wawofu na hwe one to ntam atade de ma wo ma aduan de ebiribia. But immediately we school now for adwuma as one kasa you have to be on your own. Who so brana say and no. I remember my first time me say me to ma hode niam me de be hia de bo me bra. Na me hwe ma bra bo mu kwa achi. And me hu say the beer me here be and I had to buy it.
Hi.
Now me bought me home wedding say me save whisker into me got to toss any many na yamia domna me tell to kwanko Togo.
Right.
Aha. Tim to talk the beer me here tontoma I say me fra with beer and I'm the shop brana say into edu baby no na se me ware no so na se me hwe baby a metna any
wow, you have to
yes.
Your own decision,
my own decision.
Your own money, your own resources.
Se me hwe bia metna any ma me hia ofie ho
Wow.
no kwase bi ni we bob me homodin say me tu sa na mo nyina
Wow.
na ade ba ko bi a me ka de kire me ho ne se na metime ma me nchen won kran ha me ka kire me ho se enya de a me haidan da se na metime ma me nchen ma me obre oditi ni boyero mu de show me na fe yin so odi akikire ufi kakra ese se yetrem enti sa de no so de asudi kase beto me so
So you can stay there.
no if say me tra me ma me ho na de ba ko ma me ya me really fit that and say na ne fie no 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
The one ye hall and chamber na me was single room.
Right.
Na oye na adwene say baby ono no wo no say me ware a o de hon be ma me.
Okay.
Iti me ware pe no to fie ono ne hall and chamber ni mo no ba single room. Nana we si fie no be share single room no de me kokko share ho.
Wow.
Yes. Na me catch them who say it's as a market say me mpese me hide identity. Me bomb modern she share or dying answer na me worry.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Me bomb modern two sana mo answer na yes. And ye kudu baby na baby odan wo no se me nika mentumi nkotra
enko ho
nti no no me ja osada ni si ho and I'm some be extension me ma me fi home no be 2 bedrooms self contained.
Wow.
Inti no who say asudi no ebe to me so
Right.
say me pray well that struggles near can say me pray na me hye obrani ye
if you get it wrong you are in trouble.
Yes inti me hye no was akwan no so
Grandpa yes maybe most men they live their life in silence. Mema in kasa mema di into young for any mom struggles. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, and I won't say a member no we are seen as heroes. Seen as nipa you wield the power and authority.
Okay.
So they say you're brutal. And any day. And I'm very maintaining. Or very maybe even no matter how quiet the person might be, or review anymore, per se, or the better to form. Ukraine mudium. Enti mermanya nipa waka wonin sem
Echere.
Ade ne hye ne ho a obema na hye ne ho a ne kum no ne pira no. Titiru so berema yare a
One can da.
onka na hye ne ho. So berema edni sika okwa ahochiri ma.
Onka
Aye bigger thing.
Wow.
Onka da. Ema de obetimi aka kire obi.
Right.
Mema na ntisa. Oni nyina fi asudi a onyankopon de to yanso. Enti no oberema susu se ode na hoden be pere aye biribi. Ompese ne ma anase ne yere be hu ni se osu anase obre. Saa de no eye wo kwan bi so. Na ne fa bi nso ne die ngawu.
Edi ewu.
Ti se na wodi kan ni Yesu kura osu.
Yesu Christ.
Ese ye hu ni se ye nipa. Na limited. We are weak, we are frail. Into no say one yes I didn't tum no one limitations are. Ube full say we are the strong man. Ube full say we obia would be to me into me that. Now so be to me okay.
Bribe to me. Grandpa provider ayani say the man Madafine can say you say the man is a bread winner. All others are bread eaters. As a provider, and to honor a quaji Bruno Bahana Dianeba. One a translation eaters. Omo Drifu on Baby Dibiaco. Now, Yanfan Sabeme ya or ye providing beer, that you must say, beer the sicker swap, a beer Obana Crajmoyano, a cost of Saint Baymano. Na a big crana mofrano omajuma omo fees ne afenese ka eba na be man cannot meet that. How does it affect men? And it's a comparison na a normal ne busuafon so e fasoma e be ye ya na e preni pano.
I want to say my merma. Oberema ho kire no sika se ma no wa hwere na ni onyam.
I say.
Intino, one year careful crash, and Yamia memoir, ne macra muno. Yes. Uber who said, a man in an Nisukoba. Nansoons or Dobia and him. More front in the Yena Tresse, we knew one papa where the Jobio.
If you say a beer, Nisika Seman,
and as an Juma Acofom. And to say, Mofrani Yobia, Abia, Senyame, or Adumna on so as Subo one bra.
Yeah.
Or cried a one foul yashi.
Wow.
So when you're your papa,
wow.
I'll wait to match Mofrano crime papa is more fast than Jatra. A big challenge. Now, Honona a bread merman as say. So Berman Nisika no bar nationa. Enquy Emma, Oberma command 20 yemuda. Sad no ewo yemu. Yamina de ure anymore. So Berman or ye provider, unnecessary or share. One will say, Abrabonia, said I'm decan kind. oberema no chichiri fi no akofa na yere ene ne ma betra ho woga didi won ta de hye won suku kɔ ene adwuma mofra no be sometimes kura po merima no bi ebo ho modern say what won yere no kura be ko school ana so be padwo ye ma won yere no mu capital
right
yes ani me nyina ma emia no tumi nya ba bi gira
right
by the moment oberima no be ko from pe na won yere fi sa initial investment oberima no ye no ɛno na so oberima tena ho na so okai sa ne ma na e goodness ebrɛ ne sunsum ase enti ebetumi de sɛ wɔne onya obi ɛne na nkyɛ na asɛm na wantu no fo ana sɛ ɔnyɛ obi a ɔyɛ nyamesuroni na ɔkɔ asɔre ti
nyame
sɛ nyame manase a ɔbɛkɔ fam saa ebi de bɛyɛ nsanom ebi de bɛ wura mmea bi a nse sɛ ɔkɔ
ebi kura ekum ho
ebi kum wɔn ho na kyerɛ sɛ osusu sɛ so kum no ho anaasa nanso kum ho a ne nsa ebi na ɔha wɔn no ayɛ kɛse nti no ɛyɛ ɔhaw kɛse mmarima sɛ na ɔkwan a nyame fa so yɛ ne sɛ ɔtena se sɛ ɔyɛ kristo ni kura po na sɛ ɔkɔ nso hwɛ mu a nokwasɛm ni sɛ nyame asɛm nkura na obetumi akɔ fam ebetumi aboto no na ade a egye yɛn ne sɛ sɛ ɔyɛ kristo ni unim nyame dia
right
onyankopɔn na nam ne nsɛm so kyekyew werɛ
right
esane sɛ ansa na wɔbɛkɔ nso hwɛ mu no na wahu nyame asɛm bi a wo no koraa no wode ɛbɔ bra pɛn wahu na sɛ yɛhwɛ mehu sɛ mmarima nyinaa yɛn first struggle in life
right
ɛyɛ how to establish and maintain a relationship with God.
Okay.
An effective relationship with God. One will say, Nyame na abo. Ono do aba wiase. O de dwuma pa bi ahye wonsa. Ne honhom ti umu a. Ese se wo de nante na abo bra. Enti no, you are not on your own.
Okay. Won ne ho
sa. Enti no se wo mani firi nyame akwan so pa a, you have lost your bearing.
Wow.
Eno ni ade a eno ni the man's first struggle. Me hunu say eno ni your first struggle.
They've disconnected from God.
Sa wo twe ho firi nyame ho pe. Wa hu. O nsa be si fom. Abrabọ no ebe ye kwa. So hu. Isane say nyame asem ka kire yen. Our Proverbs 10:22 say.
Okay.
The blessings of the Lord makes a person rich, and he adds no sorrow.
Onyankopon hye ma onipa ya defo. Ma bra dwuma de fa benka ho.
So enti say nyame anhyira wa.
Wa ne be hyira.
Hyira ne be hyira. Nyame no ohyira wa omfa obrenka ho.
Right.
So
right.
Omfa ohawo nka ho, omfa struggles nka ho.
Right.
Nyame ohyira yen.
This is wisdom, untio, manfo.
Ohyira yen no wamfa obre anka, wamfa bone anka ho. Nyame kura po amfa yare anka yen no ho. Enso ono mom so no ye ayaresa ho enwuma. Ye provisions for young health. Intino wontumi emfiri nyame akwan so. Emmo bra no sene opɛ na koniye. Yes, we are betting a money I'll pay. And Trebia, we are betting a money I'll pay. Ubenya be now so be who said, Navy and he from Nedobeco. Navy and he from Nedobeco.
So when you are such a parina now hear it.
In dynamic as a man's ability to keep stronger ties with his maker is tantamount to losing his bearing in life.
So when to me, bear man to me. Nene bofo enya nkita hodia na brabo ani bedane
papa Isn't say bra Adam a free Eden Trum. He lost the loving and comforting presence of God.
Wow.
Onyankopon do any abotayi Adam hwere.
Wow.
Saa nso na wo ye merima brabom. So wo hwere wo ne onyankopon tem.
O hwere me bebre.
Wo hwere ni ma bebre. Tire se wonam wiase kwa. Wonam wiase kwa. Nti eya yerehosem.
Grandpa ya na yese me ka se me nyine no. Say bia kra ya tese na bia na o trepe na o hiase a. Na ye bon say it's okay, get up. Oba no esu a, oh it's okay baby ne you say you oba no. Na enyi kakra no primary school. Teacher ni say obo aba we be abant no bo aba no awo so kakra say. Obo no awo so na man bomb say yeah. Na man dey born osu na oh it's okay. Now grandpa who you know how did showing of emotion, expressing emotion say ma wa think can nedi ma obi hunu say we ho. How did he shape you and how did you manage disappointment, challenges in life without letting emotions overcome you?
Yeah, I know kwasem pa say you know say we your better man na say okọ ebi ase na okay teacher ni kura bo aba na say usu na say asem bitu na say usu pa nipa bebre feel say we your ba
and you say about usu so ba
sa
right
unsem bia obetiti wo fie ho na we your better man na wo de eni man kitikiti say na wo de na so sa ne ma no wo ya abofra na e ka kire wo
oh
unyina na wo de sa de ne hye wo ho a se bibia mu no do pese wo be kire se wo your better man e be do bibia you break
wow
intino mede se eba ne se misu a mesu
right
na mesu so ato rade so
right lamentation
yes and no dem fa so be brame na won sa asem bi ato me wabrabom na you know meje me ho a enyi no eno no memma sa asem no ha o me
right
se edu bre se bi so a asem ne hyem so a ese mi so na emma yaudi no bi efiri mu
wow
abrampong asu
okay
David no nyina asu yi
nyina asu
ya agye nkwa Yesu Kristo su yi enipa wo ya titirifo wo Bible mu no wo nyina wo su yi na mpempi wo su won kokoa mu wo su wa bonten wo su wo dan mu na obekekere ni magina ho so berma isane say so your berma na bibia no so begina bontin na usu ya no ma ye no we
oh grandpa I say upie ya ajay mawo musomu say
oberma ntimi nya
berma yes ah
yeta aka say e ma no bi kura bo mo yere no story wo dem
hey
wonku e ma no bi bo wonku no story wo dem
say aren't those who
obesu wo dem no about the Jinab and Tinga so very much. That is a manner edi omukuno so fie.
Right. Right.
You know, as I say, yesua ade say. Oberima e nsu de. Nanso etura bia as I say, wohunu say. Eni ma bi be den wo so a. As I say, wo su na ma yaudi ni bi pie.
I know shit.
You. Wo su to awrade so a. On no betie no be ye de amam.
Wow.
Say adeba ko no say wo your berima na say wo ho kire say na ye kan yi.
Yo.
Wo sika say makofom.
Yo.
Yare bi bowa.
Yo.
Wo hwe baabi wa kodu abrabo no ma. Hina na akoka kire no. Hina pa no betimi aboa wo ayi wa fi wo ha oni mu. Hina bio say nukwasem ne say nyame amoa wa. Oni bada se ni bia ni ho betimi aboa wo. Obeyi wa fi wo ha na wo mu. Intinia aya mede me ne se mehwe na ha no mintumi a enya ho hwe a ni meje wa manyame
Waje musa.
waje musa If you say, Obrano, na shasi fi edin trum hope, and na struggles on the starting.
Nyene.
And yet, na, Yen Yamia Simbi, Genesis 3.
Okay.
Like, Genesis 3, verse 17 to 19.
Okay. Genesis 3, 17 to 19.
Yeah. Making kind of Osi. And to the man he said, since you listened to your wife and ate from the tree whose fruits I commanded you not to eat, the ground is cursed because of you. All your life will struggle to scratch a living from it.
Wow.
And you won't say struggle no ha.
And if you see
Adam any Eve no. Na woman can we also it will grow thorns. Just as I know, it will grow thorns and thistles for you. Though you will eat of it grains. By the sweat of your brow, you will have food to eat until you return to the ground.
Wow.
From which you were made.
Wow.
For you were made from dust, and dust you will return.
Wow. Wow.
So I'm saying,
wow.
Oyanko said define abrabona mayen na shasepe. Fear didn't trum no define.
No define enti obran de ho.
Obreno and ho chiri de ho. Esane onipa hwiase.
This is trying to kind of say man is born for trouble, no?
Yes. Man is born for trouble, for adversity. Until to the be working guy Isaiah 30 verse 19 who can say nyame nankasa na okachire ne nkrofo. Indeed, it tells you, say, Abrabono, that form, you will struggle, you will suffer, you will go through a lot of things.
Grandpa, tell us in your own experience, when the echo back, what were some of the hardest seasons in your life? And then, what were you carrying? Not then and then so, then and then how at that time? And when a boy, it's two and a more fast, how?
Maybe my braboma. And you know, and I will show me pa. But Bako pa meet me them says here a bra me sure mama kind. Yeah.
Grieving, loss,
yes,
losing of a child.
Yeah, to be a beer or who be a waffle says no. And yada, me mamma sorry in them. Into Germany, my bofrana dampanaso. Inti me no any two kakrabe 6-7 ho na me sorry kwa bonti abofra na da abobe 7 echi no sorry na ma me kohwe na just we nem wow na me kai senia me ma me esu ho na me say sa picture in fi madwene mu da na me start school here me need 5 years here inti ebra me de ne to me no e ma me ti ne ma me ye na ma me no koti fi ai port ne da ofi na ni no aba no be se gunti so na ma me so de se ye ke so obi ye dramatic
na o ye ni pa
o sui pa enti se oba fi ma e do kwa ho kire kase at the moment na obeti owu me ti me de no I died with my son.
Wow. Wow.
I went into darkness, complete darkness. Let me name baby I'm a
wow.
Satam na me wo Kumasi.
Okay.
Me ko trek wo ho. And me suffer Reverend Yakote kwa. O breaking news on the mami. Na o kasem de kire me na pe. Me hu na ye na esuma duru me.
Na akra na nyi kakra.
Na wanyi. No Babako University.
Wow.
Intino a sum dromika say me nim na ekoso until say me nua no moye me driver ne eyi ofre won oba me dem no wode won nsa betu machi ansa na me ba
wow
me ba enkwam bibio na me ni me bia mo sum kra my blank completely blank na neya me to me fees a how no mu ne say no kwase bi ni me asita na me wo mu no me de nyame asem a emu ye din no eno na ekita me
ena wale nam
ena me de nam enti o se osohwe bi nni ho a ato agise na ye nipa fam de onyankopon yo no kwafo se o ma won so won hwe entra wa ho den so wo bokwan bi ato ho ma no afama fie hyere no nyam san sebo no san sem bi to say yes I walk through the valley of shadows of death
menam wusus memma insro
boni bi san sem no ye niema bi a na mi se dey kra me Inti me be do fie the following day na se me bakra
yo
me be do na busuafo ahia wo ho because me fi ka mu si pe na tue mi no so
wow
inti me suisa but in shidan ka urade asofo na ho reverend yakote kwa ne reverend appear no so odomi ha
no odomi ha
won na de nyame asem ene mpaibo chichi na ire and within minutes na my back
wow
sada no fisa britia na mbedu fie no manti ya oni bibio
that's when you have people who mean well around you eboa mema no
wo nipa wo nim awrade benwa sempe pi no uko fi bi na so wuba ho na nipa no so bibria enye sika nko na ebia wodwene ho na mom emotionally no ana se abrabo no no woni oyrechichifu bi
obi ni ho
na mom se utumi bompa de masankrof no stabilize one
right
na enshranka mesofo nyakoche kwa
professor otie yen otie
ade oye ne se abofra no efimu no ono de amunu ko mortuary ono no siesie ohwe ehwo ka nyina mami undertaker ye bribia no de amunu bremi ofie wa mama ntua kapre
sa burden no
oyini nyina afiri so
Jesus
oyini nyina afiri so
wow
na busuafo so ye bi pa oyi agese abofra wa ye monsa
ai
kase me wo fa ba ko ba bundle sika de be share me nsem so kwasi je inti se wunya ni papa bi boa wo
etwa ho hia se bema
oh my god eboa me to the stand say ebre ye yini kura na mensu because
ayi bor no
ayi bor nyina afimi mu ma apostle wood kura ba yi na sibi
yeah papa so
be obeboy abaso say I didn't say onu kura po ye berima na ye sofu pani no kura po no ni nuakuma bi wu ya okwan ya ofa so toto no ho kine ofie no na nya asem ketwa na adofo mehwe me maame ene ni nua merima no me uncles ene nipa na atwa me ho hia abusua eyi no so je da wo ye obrampon bi eyi inti no emami rechichi ante yawo inti fisa abrena ba nyina no emami re fisa den mi re yi sa no to nchine
we to chune na just grandpa ano dey so che say a man no they can respond well to support around them.
Yes.
Systems are area chom ho hia bia ne sofo ne yire ne ma ne busua na na ebi moa. Na woman moa. How should the man respond? Unya samboa na then I say way.
No kwase mini se wanya samboa na obekoso abre. Obekoso abre agise wo de hye wo mu.
What pisa we dey meje mu
say so wankasa want to me and show ho dia ɛne de na kyerɛ sɛ fɔma na ɔbɛkɔ nti sɛ ɔsɔhwɛ to sɛ ɔyɛ ɔbarima apart from sɛ nyame nkurɔfo wankasa wofifo ebi a ɔyere ɛna ɔma bɛtumi so mu na waboa wo no ɛsɛ sɛ wankasa no so bɔ ho mmɔden sɛ wobɛhyɛ ho den hwɛ David asɛm to David wakɔ ko bɛdu fie no na yɛtase ne mmaa ne yere no mu ɛne n'abusuafo ne wɔn agyapade nyinaa akɔ nkurɔfo a ɔkɔboa wɔn no nso asɔre atia no sɛ wɔbɛkum no ɛsiane sɛ ne nti na ama wɔn afa saa haw yi mu nti ɔno wabɛdi asensɛn mu na Bible kyerɛ sɛ David osui paa na wɔnsu kɛkɛ osutu Awurade so no na Awurade kasae Awurade kyerɛ ne kwan bisa Awurade sɛ nti saa nkurɔfo mi nti wɔn ana na so mi ti wɔn amensa bɛka wɔn ana ɔhyɛ ne ho den nti saa den hyɛ na ɔde hyɛ ne ho no ɛno na ɛboa no ma no tumi gyinae ma ɔkɔ ampa nso kɔdi nkonim wobɛkae bi wa Jacob ne Esau ɛberɛ a ne papa Jacob kɔgyee Esau nhyira wie no ne papa asɛm a ɔka kyerɛ no ɔde twa ato no kyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛsom ne nua kumaa no
ne nyinaa ɔkanya ne ho hyɛ ne ho den de a
ɔsɛ yɛsɛ ɔkɛntɛn ne ho ansa enti sɛ ɔbarima wokɔ nsɔhwɛ mu na
wankɛntɛn wo ho
a kyerɛ sɛ you are on your own hena na ɔbɛtumi aboa wo sɛ nyame amoa wo a
abusuafoɔ moma yɛntwa yɛn ho tɛw ne yɛmbra gamba sɛ mma me ɛkyerɛ sɛ adeɛ no conversation a yɛ di papapapapa kɛntɛn wo ho anyɛ saa deɛ ɛba no ɛnyɛ metwa me ho tɛw na maba
Just hot kinky. And your hot. Just bread and pastries is sick. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Yedi yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana sa de sepe. No mo to dokono wo monten so. Eno no mo tu etono. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wo ho a. Wo de frey. Na ye customize ne mawo. Se de wusi penny bia. Protein na opese ye de ka ho. Ni aya ma wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and ye serve ya wahu, just bakery, Ewodome, commercial bank in Chenwa, and to fraying, and was 025-6068-832. Now, young customizer will orders in the mouth, never said what was said, they will say pen pepe. Just hot kinky, and ye hot.
Yaba, I am Sompa Delight. Yediabro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha so Frobi, Nobi, so Frobi Nakachani say Abna Ruthie. It was Sompa 106.5 FM. Or the Sompa Delight, Abro. Thank you, baby.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano ewiye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankupon reyahon wat yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home.
Gather your family and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Sompa First Service in Chawo Home Hoda, a Yajuada Kusi, if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi, Anopanunsia. Fawodanina, share radins, na erade beye.
so called a bonny empty my me when you are there. We made the wine so my yeti kind bedi tree. My pony na ye jammy. Timamu for my this way in Yagro. Mamu for my this way in Yagro.
For a member almost struggles, almost challenges. Omo hear us ne yenda omofemu na yedi hunkomo na mene opanyini a friend no at Chris Ampof Okreku what be or Pentacles for one of our celebrated elders what be nyamia sponsa ade a yedi nyina no or the psycho biblical perspective or the nyamia sem or the obremu ehunu nyansa nimdie na one ye kasa asebema edu bebia obi kura nyina ho a kentene ho sometimes it's difficult for men to get the support in around them. Ebi na area anwa, ebi a mamwa, ebi a dofumwa. Bikura na also for kramwa. But ade bi wo ho say kenteno ho. Any internal energy. Wa mi an ho say, sade ma hwe ne ya, ebi pira me bese me. Nkona de papa na mpese me ne to so kakra na in the next 10 minutes ni wi a ye be see blue lines. Now fret every say nyansan sama o kan ha no we ba ko tieska ba ko to book e the man free or Sompa Rhapsody. Grandpa, you are welcome back.
It does it.
Grandpa me ento so na yenhwe wo mema yo ne wo father yimu nyina no me pese me hu e dey role na gidie your faith a player in such lowest moments. They said, "Oh, here we be." Na enime mu ye denema on ebinum so mu. But now we gidi so Ruben play ma.
Okay, me da say. Say na medical yaka no. Efi obrana chassis, me brana chassis no. Already ye madom ma me hunu ne ntem.
Right.
Already hwe me ntem. Enti no enime bia esesanka branti me fam
yo
ene ade no nyame adom oyi me firi san mani nyina mu
yo
na nyame asem ene kura me
right
na me bo me homodin se me gidi wo Kristo mu no me ntoto na se
right
nti se ye me hwe masetem pa me hu struggles papa bia makom bet me kan no kure ma kire se me hwe mabrabom me ma bribi enhye me so
o ma ne me house
me ma ne man ha me sa if say eye or how no anase struggles no eye nipa nyina ha
okay
nti me no me nye nto me nko me so
nya nko na say nya nko na de hia
nya nko na de hia ade nti na say wo sua wo ha no ti say ne wo so wiase wo wotifi dabi na mo medi me nanti unyame asemu
right
yanhwe obi ti say o hwe bible ma obi ti say Joseph
okay
woni ben no ye nti na ofa saa hawo no mu obi a nyankopon aso ne dai so be no okese daachi ne papa ne nuanum nyina ani bere no ani nti woton ekodi Potiphar nsem enu achi no otwa atroto no so mane kodi afiase aya na me bisa me ho se nti bra na Joseph afiase no ade ne ekoso wona adwene
de na ekoso wona adwene
okwan ben so no fa so hye ne ho den
wow
nyame de ne kosie na o hye no ama bre papa a edi nanim
wow
nti unu se etra bi na se ye ko how ne so hwemu a se unim nyame asem na onu nyame a wafra ona wo nwene o how no ho na mo wo dwene nyame ho o ma o how ne medi wanim kan na mo o ma nyame mom na di wanim kan
o focus on nyame
yes it's and say
o distract on ho
sa mi ye ma dwene se mi hunu hwiye
wow
yare kra na ebo me a I am telling you for a fact ma fa ne ma bebre mu ofie se ne organ yenka
Yanka.
Mintu min kanjire mi yere, mintu min kanjire mi ma. I battle it alone. With the Lord. Men beba mo so na nyame yi sa ha na fi ho. And man dey one thing after the other be brave. So wo hwe Job a me bisa me ho say inti Job sori anopa. What den nyane no ni kete na oda so no na ne mpa na oda so no etisen. Ihu akurakuru. Otene ni o. Na so hwe amane Nyankopɔn de ne fam. Oh, Job ho kire na no obisa nyame se na de nkora ntina waye te se opani kire se watwa adwuma ma no nanso ugina ne kon so watwa
adwuma ma me ma me nya adwuma na adwuma
Job di ahoto ahometo kasa yo
o kasa papa
o se dua watwa so po wani da so se ebe fifiri nanso onipa nte saa wan asema Job kan obo nyame akutia
papa
onipa nte saa na ne Job ri refi ne ho se amane no namu no na ono so obra ne na atwa na to fom no obra na atwa na to fom na o se dua watwa so no nintine ni dua ne dua sin ne besi ho nintine ne hya asase ase nanso so oti insun ka obefefew
no
onipa de onte saa.
Hey, Grandpa, but why back one half? Say no, I'm a gym, if I'm a retirement.
Okay.
Grandpa, say, how many years?
64
years. Yes. The grandpa is senior citizen of Ghana. And you know, all retire, you know, were there fresh struggles at retirement so at the back. And if a moon, a dream moon, a fear moon, is there any other challenges as a what just as an older person in Ghana?
Fortunately, now we were into private business.
Right.
And you know, my retirement, and you've been at the retirement.
Okay.
So, my cousin, Medjumano.
Right.
A woman say, me age, I retire me there.
Right.
Now, so me will be a waiting.
Right.
So, you know, Meno. And your man ni pako retirement say be a work fear you mamma be fear no. Na on quadrume bio no. Onyana katia bio no. Any sani mania man no so no. Meno be na kwa.
Right.
Just say me bo me home modern say me ma wiase ne enhye so.
Enhye wo so bebre sa.
Nia me hunu sabi wo fie po a enye me den. Me man enhye so. I always pretend say me hunu menti. Say na ye kan opani due mate mante.
No say asem no. Ye due mante.
Debi mate. Na so menti.
Mate. Magampa ya na bon se bia na efie oyere ema asore pese wo boa mema. What works? How should they approach it?
Yeah, oberima yemfan oyere dikan.
Okay.
Emwa oberima be hia fe ne yere ho pa no. Most often than not na enye sika.
Okay.
Emotional support.
Emotional support.
When we say worry obanya nsafo a. Ono onim ohuni kunu bre.
Right.
Ohuni ama ni kunu fam.
Right.
Onya tenka de man. Otumi bowura oberima na komam.
Ehuni ekoso.
Ehuni ekoso. Otumi hu se mi wura ana se mi kurin wasesa. Enti odinyansa kwan ene no bekasa saa no waye. Na fe wode na ko gina ba bia trese ebema oberima no be fini how. Look, at the back, the Bible can say, so very many years and when you're the papa. The won't mean for Obia papa and to Tushi, whom I ye.
Wow. On this is Kakoko.
Oh, Debbie.
On this, just say, you can't compare.
No.
Good wife.
Ubit when you sika dime ma, ubit when you be our powers dream. Nansu se ukofa oba be toso. Nanse o hu bre on yatin kabi mau. Se wo te bia na sesa. Na waboa. Hey, who's going to me?
Wow.
And into a member be brave, you know. So, onyasa emotional support if you fear, obe pia bonting. Yes, that is it.
Indeed, as I said, And the can say oba no edi nyansa.
Yes.
Be man bre.
Sir.
Okay, debut.
Yeba a man so a man de e won asede say so won agya ekọ ahokyiri mu a won wo boa.
Right.
So ono na abo won abedu sabri.
By investing them over the period.
One say oberma sisu a na dia oberma pa bi sisu a ade da na koma so.
Nsa ne man be baby.
Yes. Ordinary ne yere ne ma. First of all, ne do ni nyina wo ne yere no so. Tisana na Jacob do ne yere otwato no. Ne do ni nyina wo ne yere mu. Enti se oyere ni ho a anaso oyere na chi no ode kɔ ne ma no so.
Wow.
So what you say? Enti oberma ne be fi ni struggles mu ni brenyina mu achichiri efie do ma betenem. Aye bibia de ama busuan se ne be ya wonyina koma beto wo yam. So what you say? Oberma bi wo ha na nka efie otenem na nko betuma si ebia edan be say 2 or 3 bedrooms no ne matrem. But this son so pese ne yere ne ma ane ebusuanfo bi kura nso enya comfort ni ntino.
No what abaimu
wa ye ne kese. Sele ne ban benya ne man benya asetena pa no ahwe so so build wo no bra. Nti se obe san investment we nyina awie na se bedu ba bi no wo yere entumi anyina wachi ukọ ahode nkofo no yere anyina wachi a wa bokagu. Wo man to me on support wa bokagu. And that is the sanima we na etumi ma merima yakofom. Now and namfofo betimi aboa.
Namfofo, okay.
And namfofo betimi aboa. Wo boa eye pa won mo no tumi kwa chiri. So when ya merima wo namfofo amano nso mu a eno nso ode how kase ba. Asori betimi aboa. But asori de no. And I'm more challenge around. For how long can the church help?
Right.
So what you see. Ena asori no kra no nso no me mpese oni Kristo ni bia ede ni ha wakọ dan asori no
e chanko na abudi akeka.
Yes. Enya the essence one who say young individuals ena ye contribute to the enya ede asori scan ebo for asori photo.
Okay.
So what you see o intino se me no me ni bi sabri a na mi se asori meyi ni scan fa mo ama. For how long would they be able to do it?
Perhaps when I mean phone lines no. I say for lines no 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 64. Second one 0260 1960 65. Memo 0260 1960 65. Friends say na ye ninko. Grandma do say asoro no de ka enya ba. Now for how long?
For how long? I just sustainable. Yeah, because I did mean so man pekra and say me de me ho beto asoro. No. Me ni anya ho da.
Cause na akofem.
Yeah. And a few crab on so no one say nyame na ohwe wo. Nyame no provide them out. I didn't know say me de me ho to obi so adas asoro so. Apostle Opoku nyina kan sem bi. Now okasa chere Osafo.
Okay.
Our General Council meeting, 1988.
Okay.
Now me cry my Pentecost mu here.
Right.
The new preaching. Now all can say, why will God leave some of you? No one Osafo neka.
Okay.
And now all my examples will say to the bia. Yeah, but for it was sorry them.
Grandpa, but just be a balance. Hello.
Hello, Papa, Mama.
Yeah, just Mama. Lambo now for
New town.
Okay.
I'm a water friend.
You're here, Casa.
Someone Papa can.
Mm.
And send this to Pan.
Your cousin.
I'm not saying Uncle Papa. And you won't show away any interview.
Pejane, Cacra.
Papa.
I mean, Shano.
You are away any interview. You couldn't make me. I say, you to the
Oh, here for two.
You cut on this. Papa, you need to try. We can't trust the piano. You're battling of a panic. Now, question a good anyway. I do a semi-sonic of the view, but I don't need to run a meeting and Say bia ye na ne tsena ye de no na ne tsemi.
Utie
So
sama.
me tuni nya papa na wa bia na wa ye ni sen kakra no nya ka me be pa.
Mate.
What
Mate gusuti.
Yeah, me tuni so. Na wa ifo tuni so years. No so me come to see am.
Go sunati Mate. Ose obi aba second line so.
Hello.
Yes.
Papa, good morning.
Na cho do mo radio no. Aha, efekasa. Dabi do radio no. Do radio no why? Do no. Aha, efekasa. Emuda hoba efekasa. Your friends say morning.
But you have done really
Your friends say
Willie.
Okay, Willie kasa.
I tell you. Nyame onshira mu papa.
Onshira papa.
If you make your demand and start to meet the program, that me want to walk me papa. I'm not many to.
That's right.
Na me say nyame sira to mama say nyame on come on now say on mama more than the about on mama and the
Amen.
And piano bear me say yes me baba.
Oh, Obonabaso. Why are they? Grandpa, they said my nipa your first color, I say, a JB crown and a ma be enkasa. I don't know if to be now what the man a jano.
A journey a man kasa. A how can say, na an campaign P no, or ban or da eja any man and table. On an essay to me,
a young Timjina for
a young Timjina for na needy kaino or bread nikuno akoma ase.
Okay.
Send a medical can, Onya Waterpa. Unco Omura Nikura Comem. Onya Casa, Pebi in Cancheren. So to meet the fete for Berman. Na Nakuma Bafum. Mary may be brave Wakuma.
Every Wakuma,
and nona a how will be her or need fache home. Sa fache home soon niwa. One will say, oh, you Christoni, Metaka send be so you Christoni. Nasa won't to mean foul yonko bonnet in Chena. How do you expect God to forgive you? Christosumo Hinso, so we bonnet free efima.
And ye,
Niakani abosum sem. Abosum sum.
Ah, what do you say? No, they say, Yans and Ekasa, Hano, or say, Christosum. So we Boniface and I'm free moi. The Akari in I abosom.
Yes. And you know,
I know some. I abosom some.
I don't think a Christo be we. Young one in a Christo be we.
Born in the money be we.
Yes. Now what do Bonia? I didn't know one young Sopa Mountain for.
Wow.
A damn pan a bit me see our one on Mantema. Obey me a day one and so much Shawakuma with me find your own.
Wow.
Seban is our Berman, one foul my bonnie and Chona. One opera.
One opera. Grandma, my mother, my 0260 1960 64. 0260 1960 65. Grandma, I say, a month for free, and boy, a month and maybe, especially young men, 18. They are also fighting their own battles.
Yes.
Nimdiesem campaign, Yansen campaign, say. Okay, hello. Yes, sir. If you're saying, yeah. Okay, do more radio, no cry. Okay, I think, sir.
Hello?
Casa.
Okay.
Amen.
The program we send them on the time.
Okay.
My grandpa canoe. A big young
A big young Sama grandpa carry young Majuma.
And there's still a challenge. Sending them notice after and carry. So I'm speaking to you right now. Me and Kata make many
okay.
It is you have done a very can I make when you're not a offer to do a film. I didn't make when you a panel and Kasa. Actually, a whole lot of issues. Me, one kind, but so you couldn't make a channel. Channel or just like that. So I just took it. But you also call there's no one about one really can feel the war for Honma Yakabra. Also, but I'm addressing my children. All the children is
it's a say, Mati. Hello. Hello. The more radio, no. The radio, no. But you're from saying
morning. Catch on the whale.
Near France saying,
it's your family thing.
Millicent.
Okay,
Millicent Kasai.
Papa John, to tell me your contribution to
Casa.
Papa John, the program Samuel Umpan Passing. Your programs are a fan, and I'm here only Katan said, it's very nice. Time on that channel. You agree, why is that? Then, it's very nice. Opinion.
Time,
Papa John, you read from HR.
Sound. And some grandpa can move on. And some mudo pound.
Papa Joe
was in some mudo pound.
Papa.
Yati.
Some program news Lara in the Papa.
Yati. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Everyone saying.
It's an apartment.
I come over everything.
The capital Salaja.
Yo, Ashalaja, Yankasa.
We have a party and the Dipa and the man was on the mountain.
Amen. Manosukakra.
I don't come say, look at the Yatin and I say, in society, society number for a second, and I say, member, the next year, a black the man of Batia. I come here to be a the man now, my second energy will say, get the out of that because here, the mother do not tire of it. So our living bar. Papa can't tell you the benefit of putting it there, 2 bedrooms to be Uncle Jack, or then match him, Kaka, everything there. Okay, young Jim was speaking. The big piano, or Brandon could be another man.
Okay.
But I will get a bump to the Uncle Lenny to the man in the command.
No, my job, Bemano.
I'm with the Papa. If they want me to dine, now I say,
Memma Brew.
And no Bahama and Papa no.
I just you.
Almost you. About and baby don't say. You walk on a top of a Valencia, to a pineapple blouting she. And you look up the back and daddy on the back. Let's say, you two see Catano with them. Now that here to be one, and money mountain said that. Who be free? Who they said the idea? Mopana when one of common fact and take our Jayaba. Some of one of the Janison and one will be. I think many are connecting to you, or I will go you to you, as a Uniba. Okay, but yes, then the pastor is done what the committee. 2014, number of tax, I said 5,000. No, you can't quite at all over 2020. None of the company is so as you have a chemistry. Okay, and the Banana Satinoa. just study one now. I think that because the baby I was in school that. Oh man, the baby so far. Yeah, them bank to school.
Yeah, tell the best. Yeah, tipa. Some kind of work.
The one them can say, them above. Yeah, Monkai. Yes, you are.
Hello.
Hello,
Macho, the more ready and why? Adumpa. Yeah, that's it. Okay. But the more radio, no, why? Okay. Okay. Asempa hello.
Good morning.
My last caller. Good morning. I'm Pomo. Yo. And then someone a mood room.
About the mood. Now, I have the best thing for you ready. Each year the toilet is one.
Okay.
It didn't matter what I can say. No one ever hill. No one ever hill. Now that's a no. Oh my karma, I have to meet with him. Okay, I need to know the
about a bell.
About it.
What's your banner bell?
The only thing that I know money ever hill. That way, you know, they have to use the woman. About the dream of a man.
Among fa, a gentleman here.
Because the capital is a janitor that the man, and then the man is away. That brings me a question. That's what it is a minute only. Take the name of I think I'm going to be right. I put you on more. You sit down with the man. Or transfer to one mama. The mama come out on a transfer to.
Investment in a Connemano.
I've got a man of him. It's on the last time you could have taken. Let's go, please. If it is bracket, say you did the Kurana. Let us say, no, I better 3 years. Take me 10 years in a Bible. You have to go to the castle come much. Another program. In a minor 2018, 25 years, a 40, mammy, 40, 35, Papa, 50, and 35 years old. Almost bread, ya broma, and my sister to care, or more theatre. If you come, my young guest will care more. And then you fool, man, and then you pop up and you fool, and you're going to my two crop.
You. That's what I never see a man. Let's see.
That's no. Upon the tree of wow, what is school, you know, was years time. There's a bounty on Tinoa. Not that I can say, young Galana, a Janamo, I asked Papa.
I asked him.
And you're about to fall, Nana, the mom, helping to the Muyai.
Yate. Grandpa, maybe say, oh, my 3 lessons. Emrantua 80. On how to handle struggles in life. Osiswa. Ediana, Nima baby and something the key things in your mind, in your life. Say, Emrantia, how to handle and then on and dealing with the issues that life presents.
So me da say mabobo nsem mienu bi so ha. The man who rejects the God factor in his early life is likely to return broken, exhausted, and drained through life struggles.
Obema oyi onyame enioma efri na brabo mu. Obetumi na brabo ba ye basa. Just say broken life. Obesa
Awo bra na wa ye mra wa bubu tre se wa bre
kwa.
And just ye refi say if nyame ho.
Remember thy creator in the days of thy youth.
Inti na ma kan bi on say the man cannot function or operate successfully outside his spiritual source and natural confinement. Untimi mo bra na nyame nka ho.
Nyame nka na se bubura no. Wonna mo mrante aba mo ntie o.
Untimi mo bra na nyame nka ho.
Na me de menye ska na me de obo.
Oh debi. Sika no obetimi apre anya bi. Na so be hwere won kwa. A wonni mo awrade na wakọ ba bi ense se wokọ.
Wow.
Inti se wo ya brante na se wo asetene mu a wo pese wo bobra ba bi ma ho a. Niama ese wo ye ne se wo ahunu nyame achi kwan awie. Ese se wo hye wo abrabo.
Hye abrabo no.
Hye abrabo.
They said ya yeto edan ne ye hye no. Ye de spirit level to ho. Anti oba program house ye mu bra na basa ho.
E bu bra na basa. Me bre na no ye kwa asori ye de anu aka se ye gi Yesu Christ de ye kwa asori ye ko bompa na so yakoma edwane afri nyame ho.
Wow.
E kare ngani ma nyame sompa na so mu ahode ne ye po.
Wow.
Ese se onipa biara and obata ni nyankopon ho deeply. Eno na se wo fa sa akwan no so bibia ni wo so wasasrem. Bibia ni ho be wo so wo. Hey, we ye nipa anye den ya obetin sem bia ye yawo. Look, nyame ka sem bi kire me. O se bra na me hwere me ba no. Me obi am very emotional. And some to me how me pa.
Right.
But nyame ka kire me say fi sa abri ko no. Asem ye ya obi a obeti no. Bo modern say won fa nwura wa komam. Ba dwene wo tim.
Dwene wo tim. En fa nwura komam.
Debi na kodi.
Wow. That's a niema nwura komam when they do them.
You nwura komam when they do them. Na je asetena wo brabo so. Inti ema unhunu nyame, unhunu se nyame bi wo, unhunu so boafo bi wo. Dem bia wo do ho de na epre. Inti emranti ne maba hihye wa brabo.
Shisha brabo no pa. Na but modern say obetu anamon papa. To anamon papa.
You
take the right decision.
Yes. To anamon papa. Afeyin so oberima bia so mo no ho modern say onye na adwene say obedo ne yiri ene ne ma eche na nkasa ne ho.
Okay.
Well, some from Sona, ye na ye say si form kura. So oberima be ye bibia se na kan obesi dan obese obehwe ne ma. Now so no de onya any provision for himself.
For himself. Also for one
dwene. Be so for one dwene. Na so bibi kakra bi to baby. Na so da chi ho kire wa.
Right.
It is a dan no 10 bedrooms na person osi. 5 bedroom na so osi. Say odwene ho mienu. Na wo disika ne bi ekoto baby. Se na da chi bi. Onso obeye. Look, and some na calls ne bi buy no.
You.
Ne bi fa. Eja ene mantem ataw. Impempi no na obehwe ne say. Aya obehwe na emma na kogina sorry, oyire no mra kogina won manachi etie won papa no. Edro bi kra woka won kunu no ho nsam kire won ma no. Enti mo fra no bedu baby na woni obu ma won papa.
Right.
Eba na sana se akasakasa bi sia. Papa ne ka hwea emma ne ntie.
Wow.
Nanso ye be sere agya no se wona ade wo ma ba wiase. Eja hwea ne ntia Joseph otumi di ne nua no bone che ne se wate ya wonka. Ne ntia Jesus otumi di yan bone che ne se ote ya wonka. Obi a wonhu amane ye wonti ade ye ya wasran wontumi mfa oyonko no bone nche.
Wow.
Na de ban.
Okay. So wo famu a ana wo se ense se me ma me weaponize na issue end with me.
Yeah, it should end with me. And then the Joseph di ninu anamo bone a wodi ye di nyina che wo. 1 minute chirikura.
Grandpa, in 30 seconds, Casamiche Memina or Ganina.
Mamma, no, and to one bossy.
Okay.
One who win me a chicken.
Okay.
Now, said what one who to read the soil. Or bread moon, who fears in the day. A war. Never ban so. Never. Nasa win near Radia. He an old waffle.
One of waffle.
Inti a radi pet and obey me again. Fat while crying, Nina she radid sa. O say, whistle and inframa. So, Ojanko Ponda, Ejujo Wanano. And near ma a how Onipa Asitramiano, Onyanko Pon pet and obey to me a Jujo Ukra. Obey to me a more funny man. A man in your wilderness and so here to Wintino, and as I'm sure her name. Look, you better fan so shady. We walk through the valley of Yenemu. The brown Nemuno. Say, when you're riding a name, Unemo, I bear say, when you obey any ho, Nanso a radical, a radical casano 2 more down. And to say, Unam, Abrabon, Nasa won't to say, Bibi, we are now who yame and Sanus and Trene, who come you. Kai hunu se nyame no ono ne fa amane hunu mu
kai hunu se onyame one wo na efa amane hunu mu abusuafo yebre no ayebe and the grandpa has treated us to powerful nugget of wisdom onyame ede afano so ede ama mema nyina ye wo Ghana ha ade ba kon kan ya manage ho ase mema no de ba bia wo yere current bi mboa Woma ain't me mboa. Was sorry ain't me mboa. One namfo ain't me mboa. Ne do honwa ose kent na wo ho. Sha hode na sorry. Memma bribi enka wo anto famwa. Wonnim de wo ye. Wonyame enkura mu. Wo ma adum nyina ehiengu so. No ma ho ma enyi wo mfiri. Enioma epre nipa ese nipa. Ne dia